Okay, here is the third riff to Iron Man. By the way, welcome to welcome to beginner guitar lessons. I'm trying to take you from what I do with students from square one. And again, you can play on acoustic or electric. If you haven't bought anything, I would recommend buying an electric, because you can play electric and acoustic stuff on the electric pretty easily, but you can't really play acoustic and electric stuff on the acoustic. It doesn't really work so well, so I'd recommend getting a decent electric guitar and spend a little more money on the amp, because that'll give you a better sound there than buying a really expensive guitar and then cheaping out on the amp. But here's the third riff. Let me remind myself. Let's see. Hold on, give me a second to remember what key I'm in. Okay, got it. Sometimes I teach this song in another key, and I don't remember what key I'm in. We're in B minor, so anyway, here's the riff. Nobody wants him. He just stares at the world. And then it's going to start over. Planning his vengeance that he soon will unfold. Alright, so let's work on this riff. It's really fun, and it's really pretty easy. So that's what I like. I like things that sound really cool and they're easy. We're going to start on a power chord. If you don't know what a power chord is, you need to look at Smoke in the Water and Iron Man Riff 1 to learn how to do a power chord before you do this part. Now, I'm not going to go through all that again. Alright, we're going to do a power chord on the A string. Remember this, not the thickest string is the, I don't want to say fattest string because I'm a little fat and I might offend myself, so let's use the thickest string here. Is the E string. The next thickest is the A string. And we're going to do a power chord there. So whenever I say power chord on the A string, you should think, alright, first finger, where's it going? What number? Whatever number I say, that's where this pointer finger is going to go, okay? So we're starting on, what number is this? It's the third dot. That's going to be 7. Alright? 3, 5, 7. So, are the dots. And then 9. And then when you get to the next group of dots, the 2 dots, it's 12. Actually goes to an even number because we have the octave here. So, starting on 7th fret with a power chord on the A string. First finger. And then automatically, this ring finger, not going to use the middle finger, but automatically this ring finger goes 2 frets away, plus 2, which is 9, on the very next string, which is the D string. And then the next string down towards the floor will be the G string, and that's going to be the pinky. Alright, press them all 3 down. Oh, I accidentally had an extra note in there. Let's do that again. Alright, now remember, this first finger has 3 jobs. Job 1, hold the A string down for that root note. Job 2, lightly touch the low E string so you mute it, so it doesn't come out. And if you have electric, you'll get our harmonic there. You know, you can't help it. It's just a musical acoustics. It's going to make a note, but it shouldn't interfere with the chord. Now, and then third job. This finger is also the hook part of my finger is lightly touching the 2 skinniest strings, the high E and B, and muting those so that I can strum the whole thing and only get 3 notes. All right, and you're going to strum that and do 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you might say, well, I don't need to mute them. I'll just hold them down, and I'll be real careful and only pick those 3. Problem with that is we don't get, we want to get a real, good, strong sound there. And what happens is when the pick goes over those strings, even the ones that are muted, it gives you some acoustic punch there, and it really makes the sound better, makes the sound stronger. So, do that power chord and hold it for 4 counts. So we're going to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, because that's when he goes 1, 2. Nobody wants him. And then we're going to slide down, still on the same string, to a 5th fret power chord here. So we're still on the A, and so let's do that for 4 counts. Again, that's where he goes, he just stares at the world. And then we're going to go down to the low E string, the thickest string, and do a power chord there on the 7th fret. So 7, automatically 9 on the A string for this ring finger, automatically 9 for the D string. And I'm going to strum it twice, 1, 2, and then I'm going to mute. See how I strummed it twice, and then I came down with my right hand, the fleshy part of my palm there. Now I'm going to play a little solo riff here. Sounds really cool, and it's not hard. Now, listen to me. Put this first finger on 7, and then each finger has its own fret, its own home. Alright, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't move them. Don't scoot around. Stay there. Alright. Now, on this low E, let's go 7, 10. If you don't have a good memory, write this down. Low E, 7, 10. Notice I put all my fingers down when I went to 10. Now, A string, 7 is the next thing. Okay? Now here's the next thing. 7, 8, 9. Same string. 7, 8, 9. Now, I don't want to pick each one. I don't want to go. I'm going to pick it once, and I'm going to hammer down to get the next 3 notes, or the next 2 notes. A little easier to do on electric with some distortion than it is on acoustic. But if you want to pick all 3, that's fine. Okay? 7, 8, 9. Now, move towards the floor to the next string, which is the D string. And let's do 7, 8, 9 again. Got it? Now, go back to the part where we did the power chord on the low E with the 7 2 times. And we're going to repeat from there what we did again, like this. I'm sorry. Alright? And that's the riff. And if you don't, listen to the song and you can really get a feel for what tempo and everything. Alright.